Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to examine and discuss the lab experiment we did on photosynthesis in a short experiment on pigments. First, let's define photosynthesis. Photosynthesis provides most of the oxygen that humans and animals breathe. It also plays a vital role in removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping mitigate the harmful impacts excess carbon dioxide emissions can have on the environment. For our objectives is to examine the process of photosynthesis, identify the different types of pigments present in plant leaves. For photosynthesis, the materials used are baby spinach leaves, puncher, 2 beakers containing 2% sodium bicarbonate solution, tweezer, syringe, lamps, and gloves. For pigments, we used mortar and pestle, calcium carbonate solution, acetone, strainer, tweezer, flask, pencil, vial, chromatography plate, and organic solvent or isopropanol. For the methods, use baby spinach leaf with a hole punch and punch the leaves into chads. Second, put 10 pieces of chads into the barrel and force as much air as possible out of the syringe by repressing the plunger. Draw 10 ml of sodium bicarbonate solution. Close the tip of the syringe and pull the plunger. Dump the chads into one of the beakers containing sodium bicarbonate solution. For our next experiment, we will use the process known as the thin line chromatography using a mortar and pestle. Smudge up some spinach leaves, mix them with a solution of calcium carbonate and acetone and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we strain the content to separate the leaf pieces from. Place several drops of the mixture on the origin line drawn in a chromatography plate with a pencil. After 4 minutes, place the chromatography plate on a vial containing the small amount of the organic solvent called isopropanol. Our first experiment, our control group did not produce oxygen as it is not exposed to light, while our test group produces oxygen because it is exposed to light photosynthesis. In this part of the experiment in photosynthesis, we examine several types of pigments used by plants. Using a chromatography plate, we have separated the plant pigments into its 3 components, which are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoids.